Here's a hidden word, 5 letters long, with a gallows waiting behind it. Guess wrong 6 times and he's finished. Can you spell it out before that happens? Hangman has just one rule. Every hidden word starts as blanks, 1 for each letter, and you guess 1 letter at a time. Guess a letter that is not in the word, like this E, and part of the gallows appears, 1 step closer to losing. But guess a letter that is in the word, like this T, and it fills in everywhere it appears, both spots at once. Keep going like that, and the blanks left over are exactly what you still need to find. Let's start with E, one of the most common letters in English, but this word has none, so the gallows begins to rise. Try T next, and look, it lands twice, opening up both the start and the end of the word. A is common too, and it slots right into the middle. Add O, and now the pattern reads T, O, A, blank, T, almost certainly toast already. A guess at I comes up empty, another wrong letter for the gallows. N misses too, but the shape of the word was never really in doubt. One last letter, S, and toast is solved before the gallows ever finishes. So what does Hangman actually sharpen? It grows your vocabulary, 1 hidden word at a time. It trains deduction, reading blanks and revealed letters to narrow down what's left. And it rewards a real strategy, guessing common letters first instead of random ones. And that's the whole game. 1 hidden word, guess letter by letter, before the gallows finishes. Now it's your turn to try it. Head to PlayMemorize.com and open Hangman, and the link is waiting in the description below.